Write down all the possible values of x. X is between -4 and 3, excluding -4, including 3. So it will be 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. And in this case, it's probably easier if you go from this direction. Question 2, solving inequalities. Now, every time when you get a question like that, you add the inequality sign. You know you're going to use it. So then the rest of it is your algebra, no different to what you've been doing on solving equations. So you write both sides down. I want x on one side, so it's 2x here, it's x here. So it's easier if I take away the x and take away the x, because that will allow me to have, look at this, 2x minus x. I have a positive x here, otherwise I get a negative. That's not nice. 7 no change, plus 7. X and minus x gone, I've got 11. So now if I want to find x only on one side, so the idea is, you know, as I've always said in class, getting only x on one side. So if I want x on one side, take away 7. Need to get rid of this 7 here. Take away 7 on here. On this side, you get then 11 take away 7 is 4. And that is your answer. And this one, number 3, slightly different, because now your 2x is a negative value, and we don't like 2x to be negative. So the way to do it is to now move it so that it becomes positive. To do that, we plus 2x on the left and we plus 2x on the right. You then see that that will get rid of the x. Minus 2x plus 2x is 0, and I have only 9 there. On this side, I've got 15 plus 2x. Brilliant, because now I have my 2x, which is positive. The rest, same thing. Yes, let's not forget, put a few inequality sign there. So that's 9, and that's 15 and 2x. Now I want only 2x on this side. I want only x basically at the end, so take away 15 on the left and take away 15 on the right, because 15 is bothering us. Then 9 take away 15 is minus 6. So what do I do next? I have 2x, I have minus 6, so I want only x. We're going to divide by 2, divide by 2. Now what does that tell me? So that's going to tell me that x on this side is less than negative 3. Now if you're not sure what your values are or your final answer is, use the calculator. Okay, now question number 4 looks complicated, but it's really easy. First of all, look at this. So I've got two inequality signs. I'm going to write this again so that you can see. Okay, and you know your final answer has to be like that as well. Okay, what do we not like about this? Now we know at the end we want only x. We don't like this because of the 4 at the bottom. To get rid of the 4, what do? Multiply by 4 at the top. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So everything must be multiplied by 4 so that this inequality is still balanced. And if I multiply by 4 and that 4 cancels, I get x plus 4 here. I get 20 from 5 times 4. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Now, so what's the next thing? So I want only x. Yeah, so I want only x. I'm going to write this again. That means I need to get rid of plus 4. What do? Take away 4. Take away 4 here and take away 4 here. Now let's put this on. So that's 4 take away 4. It's going to leave me with x only in the middle. That is 16, and that is minus 12. And that is your final answer.